Your customer says your price is too high and your product is expensive. What do? How could we convert this situation to close a deal? In this video, I want to tell you what is the best policy for converting this situation when the prospect, the client, the customer think or says that your product is expensive, your price is too high, to closing a deal. Also in this video, I want to share the best policy which you could talk about the price with your customer. Are you going to talk with your customer about the price very straight and also very usual like the other subjects? No. We need to have a very good policy which could convince and persuade our customer for buying. By the way, if you haven't subscribed in my YouTube channel, do it right now, and also if you like this video, please thumb up and share it with your friends, family, colleagues, everyone who wants to be a better version of themselves in sales, marketing, business, and closing deals. Let's together answer one question. Imagine you want to buy a car and seller tell you that I have one car to offer you which is $50,000 or euros. What do you think? Is it a cheap car? Is it a good deal? Is it an expensive car? What do you think? 50K for a car. Yes, we need to know what kind of car. We need to know the model. We need to know which year it was made. We need to know what option does it have. Even sometimes we need to know what color is it or how maintained has it been. Yes, it means we need to have some characteristics of the product. It is exactly the values which our product have, or we need to talk about it with our prospect, with our customer. When you say I want to buy a car and seller says that it is $50,000, first you are saying that what is your product? I want to know, because you cannot judge, you cannot decide, is it expensive? Is it a good deal? Is it cheap? What is it? First, as a seller, we need to tell our prospect many things about our product and then talk about the price. Never ever talk about the price when it is not the right time. How could I know that? What are the characteristics, the benefits, the values of my products which I should tell to my prospect? What are exactly the values which I could mold them for my prospect, for my customer before talking about the price? Because as I told you, every product, service, and solution without values or before talking about values is expensive. Every product, even if your product is only $1 or 1 cent, everything. Then we should tell our prospect about the values, benefits, and also characteristics, everything which could help our prospect to have an easier life, to have a better life. And then when we are sure that our prospect understands exactly everything about the values, benefits, characteristics, and our product, then we are going to talk about the price. When I start my presentation, customer is listening and looking for the point which they could trust us. If I want to grab the attention at the first of my presentation, it is better to start with a bang. What is the bang? Bang is exactly the challenge which my customer is suffering or my customer has, the pain points which they have. And also this is the main reason that they are in this meeting and they are listening to us. Then start with the challenge and continue with our solutions for the challenge while we are making all of the values and benefits and also characteristics based on our customer's expectation board. Okay, we finished our presentation. We think that our customer has understood many things about our solution, product, service. Now it is time for talking about the price. How could I talk about the price? Should I talk it straight and also say, and this is the price? No. What is the best policy for speaking about the price? First, start with this sentence. As you know, we are not for everyone. We are only for the high-ticket people. We are for the people, for the businesses, for the customers who are looking for the best and are looking for the best solutions for their challenges. But we have prepared a good solution for you, and now we are going to talk about the prices. When you want to talk about the prices, try to prepare 3 different packages. Package number 1, package number 2, package number 3. The first package, which is number 1, usually has the lower price and also could solve some of or maybe all of your customers' challenges, but is not your recommendation. The second one, which has the middle price, could solve 100% challenges and also the values and benefits, everything match with what your prospect is looking for and is your recommendation. You strongly recommend this package. The third one has the higher price and also, like the first one, is not your recommendation, but however could help your prospect. But why your prospect is going to pay extra money? Because some of the options at the moment are not for your prospect. It means that you are not looking for gaining too much money, you are not looking for just selling, and also you are offering your customer a wide range of choices, but you are focusing only on one of them. And in this session, your customer is going to decide. You are not going to postpone decision making for the other session or talking to the other decision makers or something else. It means right now, after talking about your prices, you are going to ask your customer for call to action, CTA. Now maybe your prospect says that your product is expensive, your price is too high. First question, which price is too high? Because I have prepared 3 different kind of prices, from the lower one to more expensive. Which one do you find very expensive? You could choose the cheaper one, the middle one, the more expensive one. Which one do you want to choose? And which is expensive? But plus this, it's a good policy to explain 3 main things for your customer. The first is unmatched performance and durability, which saves energy, money, and many things else for our customer in the middle time or maybe long term. It means we are going to tell our customer that how this product could be as a valuable asset for you, how could be beneficial for you, not only today, maybe next year, maybe in 3 years, maybe in 5 years. We are going to tell them, and also sometimes we are going to calculate and speak by the numbers, by the curves, by the statistics numbers. The second is features that could make and elevate my customer's life easier and better. I'm looking at my customer's life after my solution from a new aspect and explain them how our solution could help them to have an easier and better life, and how could they enjoy from their life after buying or solution, product, service. And again, insisting that peace of mind, having you the best of the best. We are not for everyone. We are for high-ticket people who are looking for the best. Maybe you are comparing us with some cheap competitors, which are not our real competitors. If you want to compare us, please compare us only with ourselves, not with anyone else. Because we are not for everyone. I told you at the first or middle of my presentation. Now we should know, could we persuade our prospect to buy or not? If I found that my customer is not persuaded yet, it could have 2 reasons. I should find which one works and get deep to it. The first, maybe I could not yet bold the values, explain the values and benefits enough. Okay, let's talk about them more and tell my customer, my prospect, that how our solution or product could help them to have an easier and better life. Maybe in the short term, maybe middle term, or maybe long term. But the second reason, which is very important, is the prospect price-oriented customer? If they are price-oriented customer, it means some people who are looking only for the price, are caring only for the price, then don't care about the quality, about how beneficial is our solution, about how valuable is our solution. Just they are looking for cheap price products. I personally do not sell to the price-oriented customers. I let them go to the other competitors. I do not continue sales negotiation and sales meeting with them, because selling to this kind of customers is very difficult, and also after selling they will take too much energy from you, the energy which you could consume it and spend it for absorbing new customers and also attracting new leads and new prospects. Why you are going to spend it, consume it only for a price-oriented customer and for keeping it? It is important to understand it, but sometimes, yes, we need to explain more about the values. Keep in mind, every product before value or without values is expensive. By these policies, you could handle the objections of price in every sales meeting. It means when you go to the sales meeting, first you are making your prospects buying guarantee by bolding and talking and explaining the values, characteristics, benefits, what you need. And if again your customer would like to say, or maybe have plan to say, your price is too high or your product is expensive, you are offering different kind of prices. It means that which price is high? You have different choices. For sure they are different, because when you pay more, you gain more also. But you could choose the cheaper one also. At the end, you are going to understand if maybe you have not explained enough the values. Talk more. And also, if you did everything, your customer again is looking for a cheaper price, you know that your customer is a price oriented and you are not going to continue selling them. Thank you for watching this video. Like this video if you like it, and share it with your friends, family, colleagues, everyone who wants to know more about sales, marketing, business, closing deals, and being a better version of themselves. Don't forget to subscribe in my YouTube channel if you haven't done it yet. In this YouTube channel, I am trying to prepare the best contents in sales and marketing and business for you to be a better in business.